Good morning, class. In our last lesson we studied first angle projection, the European method where views are placed on the far side. Today we study third angle projection, the American and ISO preferred method where views are placed on the same side as the observer. Third angle is increasingly used globally, and WAEC technical drawing tests students on both methods. You must be able to identify which system is used from the symbol on a drawing, and produce views in either system. The key difference between the two is simply where the views are placed around the front view. Third angle projection, American projection / ISO projection. In third angle projection, the projection plane is placed between the observer and the object. Think of looking through a transparent glass screen. What you see on the screen is the view. Key rule for third angle: the view is placed on the same side as where you look from. Arrangement of views on the drawing sheet of third angle. Front view, center of the sheet, same as first angle, the main reference view. Plan, top view above the front view, because you look from above, the view is placed above. Left side view, to the left of the front view, looking from left, view placed on left. Right side view, to the right of the front view, looking from right, view placed on right. Memory aid for third angle. Third angle, the view goes toward you, the projection plane is between observer and object, like a transparent screen. Third angle symbol, a truncated cone symbol with the small n on the right, the cone viewed from the right gives the small circle on the left. This is the opposite orientation to the first angle symbol. Simplest difference table. Feature first angle, third angle. Origin: Europe, Africa, Asia, USA, Canada, Australia. Plan position: below front view, above front view. Left side view, right of front view, left of front view. Symbol: small circle left, small circle right. Converting a drawing from first angle to third angle, or vice versa, requires repositioning views. If you have a first angle drawing with front view, center. Plan below. Right side view on left. The equivalent third angle drawing has front view, center, unchanged. Plan above, moved from below. Right side view on right, moved from left. The actual views themselves, the shapes drawn, do not change, only their positions relative to the front view change. WAEC examination note: when asked to draw views in first angle or in third angle, the shape of each view is identical, only the arrangement changes. Always check which system is required and apply the correct layout. Identifying the system from a symbol. Look in the title block for the projection symbol. If the small end of the truncated cone is on the left, first angle. If the small end is on the right, third angle. If no symbol is present, the system must be stated in a note. Both systems side by side. First angle layout, on sheet. Third angle layout, on sheet. Note: SE equals side elevation, FE equals front elevation. Drawing 3 views of a step block, practical worked example. Object description: a rectangular block 60 mm x 40 mm x 30 mm, L times W times H, with a step cut. The top right quarter of the front face is removed to a depth of 20 mm and height of 15 mm. Third angle views. Front view, rectangle 60 by 30 mm with a notch in the top right corner, 20 mm wide, 15 mm deep. Plan: above front view, rectangle 60 by 40 mm with a dashed rectangle in the top right section showing the hidden step, 20 by 40 mm, dashed because it is below the top surface, visible in front view but represents a ledge in the plan. Right side view, to the right of front view, rectangle 40 by 30 mm with a step visible in the top right corner of this view, shows the 15 mm height of the step and the 40 mm width is the depth. All 3 views together completely describe the step block, dimensions, positions, and the notch feature. Alignment: third angle. Plan is above front view, horizontal projection lines connect them. Right side view is to the right of front view, horizontal projection lines connect them. 45 degrees miter line at the intersection allows widths to be transferred between plan and side view. WAEC technical drawing questions on third angle projection. Question 1. State the main difference between first angle and third angle projection. Answer. In first angle projection, the view is placed on the far side from the observer, the projection plane is behind the object. The plan view appears below the front view, and the left side view appears to the right. In third angle projection, the view is placed on the same side as the observer, the projection plane is between observer and object. The plan view appears above the front view, and the left side view appears to the left. Question 2. Where is the plan view placed in third angle projection? Answer. In third angle projection, the plan view, top view, is placed above the front view. This is because the observer looks down from above, and the projection plane, between the observer and the object, receives this view at the top position. Question 3. Describe the third angle projection symbol found in a drawing title block. Answer. The third angle projection symbol shows a truncated cone, or frustum, with the small circle, small end, on the right and the large circle, or large end, on the left. This represents the cone as seen from the right side, which demonstrates the third angle concept of the view being on the same side as the observer. Question 4. A drawing uses first angle projection and shows the right side view to the left of the front view. If this drawing were redrawn in third angle, where would the right side view be placed? Answer. In third angle projection, the right side view would be placed to the right of the front view. In third angle, each side view is placed on the same side as the viewing direction, so looking from the right, the view goes on the right. Question 5. Why is it important to state, using a symbol, which projection method was used on a technical drawing? Answer. Technical drawings are used internationally. A drawing made in Nigeria may be manufactured in Germany, China, or the USA. First angle places views in opposite positions to third angle. If the system is not stated, a manufacturer in a third angle country reading a first angle drawing would confuse left and right, top and bottom views, potentially building the component incorrectly or mirror reversed. The projection symbol eliminates all ambiguity. First angle and third angle are both correct, they are simply different conventions, like driving on the left, Nigeria, UK, versus the right, USA, France. Both get you to the destination correctly, as long as everyone follows the same convention. The symbol in the title block is the rule of the road for every technical drawing. Powered by Lightech Academy academy.lightech.com.ng NERDC-approved SS1 Technical Drawing.